Hi guys, it's me Riaa and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about few of the viral products that I recently tested out, and I'm going to be sharing with you all my opinion on what I actually feel about them, whether they are really worth the hype or not. So let's get started. So the first and the most viral product currently on the internet is this Twitter foundation, cushion foundation. Now Twitter cushion foundation was recently launched in India and they are available in 30 different shades on Tira's website, and I also got my hands on one of this. So मैंने बहुत सारा research किया depending कौन सा shade मेरे पे suit करेगा, because there were 30 different shades, so it's quite a lot to be honest, and it's very confusing because again even in the shade ranges they have different categories like neutral, warm and cool, like N, C and W. So I got the shade 33N Macchiato, and then I also got another shade which is I think gingerbread. Okay, that is the warm tone. So I tested both of them out and this was the closest match. Although this is also slightly yellowish on me, but gingerbread is like way yellow. It's like totally off tone. So out of after all of the research and everything, I finally found this particular shade for myself. I am an NC 43.5 in MAC in case you're wondering, and I also use the shade Warm Honey in Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Now, जो भी इसके claims है, like whatever the brand claims, it does exactly that. It gives you such amazing full coverage that no matter how many dark spots you have, no matter how pigmented your skin is, it's going to cover all of it, and at the same time it's going to look so flawless. It is going to look so skin like. It is truly a magical product. So I really don't understand how they have created this formula, because generally I have noticed that whenever the foundations tends to be like high coverage or full coverage, they tend to be like cakey on your skin, but this particular foundation is brilliant. ये बहुत ही like skin like finish देता है, and at the same time it gives you like complete full coverage. So here I'm going to be inserting a clip of the demo part where you can actually see the effect on my skin and how beautifully it has covered all of my pigmentation so amazingly well. So I know like shade range wise they have definitely done a very decent job of 30 shades, but still जैसे कि आपने demo part में देखा होगा, my skin tone is slightly like in between. It's not like very warm, it's not very neutral. So I wish that they come up with more shade ranges, or probably I'll have to go to the Tira store and try the shades out myself, because this is good enough. The shade is okay. Like I'm currently wearing it after like the complete makeup. I think it looks pretty decent, but still that perfect जो बोलते हैं shade match, वो अब तक मुझे नहीं मिला है इसमें. But if you are planning to buy it, go ahead, buy it for yourself. I would suggest go to the Tira store, try it out for yourself, because this also tends to oxidize a little. Okay, so try out the shade for yourself, and I'm sure you're going to love using this foundation. So it definitely gets a thumbs up from my side. So for the next two products, I have two body lotions to share with you guys. Now when it comes to body lotions, I'm very picky and choosy about them, because I hate the greasy and the sweaty feel that it gives, especially during the summer months, because I also tend to sweat a lot, and that is why I'm not too fond of body butters and lotions. However, these two body lotions from Plum Body Loving has actually completely changed my mind. So now I'm not just using one but two of these body lotions on a daily basis. So this newly launched Lily Miss Sunshine body lotion, I use it during the daytime, and this Vanilla Caramello body lotion, I use it during the night time. So just like how you use SPF on your face, it is very important to use SPF on your body as well to prevent it from tanning and sun damage. And what better way to do it by using a body lotion which also has SPF in it, right? So the Plum Body Loving Lily Miss Sunshine body lotion contains SPF 35 and PA rating of 3+. It hydrates your skin for up to 72 hours, has zero white cast, and it will give you a tan-free glow in just 2 weeks. And you will be surprised to know that it also provides an instant cooling effect by 1 degree Fahrenheit. Isn't that amazing? But the benefits just don't stop there. I really wish I could actually make you smell the fragrance of this body lotion. It is so amazing and beautiful. It has this very beautiful floral fruity fragrance which has the top notes of pear, bergamot and orange, which gives you that splash of freshness as soon as you apply it. And I love this fragrance so much that I really hope that Plum does come with a perfume version using the same fragrance notes. All you have to do is slather the body lotion all over your body. The texture is so lightweight and non-sticky, and it is also quick absorbing. So it's a perfect body lotion to use even on those hot and sweaty summer days. Now moving on to the second product, this is the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion. Now since during the nights, since it tends to get a little colder, I like my body lotions to be warm and cozy and comforting, and this does exactly that. So the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion is enriched with cocoa butter and vitamin B5, and its fragrance is a luscious blend of creamy vanilla and rich caramel, which creates a cozy, indulgent aroma that feels like a dessert in a bottle. Also, the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion has won Elle Beauty Award for the Best Body Lotion in 2024. Trust me guys, the hype for this particular body lotion is definitely real, because as soon as you apply it, you're just going to feel so sexy, beautiful and desirable. It is that good. It is also enriched with Brazil nut oil and shea butter that helps to moisturize and heal the skin, so it's a perfect body lotion for the night time. Also, the best part is that this body lotion doesn't transfer to your clothes, and it gets instantly absorbed into the skin and yet keeps you hydrated. And trust me guys when I say this, but the fragrance is so amazing that I can actually smell this even after waking up in the morning. It is that good, and it also suits all skin types. And also the packaging, it's really luxe and sturdy, and this has actually become an integral part of my nighttime skincare routine, and I really can't wait to stock it up. So even if you want to try both of these body lotions out, then you can get them at 15% discount by using my coupon code RiaaRaj15 on plumgoodness.com. The link is in the description box. The next product is the Tipsy Beauty Lip and Cheek Oil. So in the past I had used this phenomenal version, but this didn't really show up on my lips that well because I have like extremely pigmented and brown lips. So ये उतने अच्छे से नहीं show up हुआ था. So I went ahead and got their other one. So this is slightly for the darker skin tones, and it comes in this kind of a blackish kind of a liquid. So this one actually shows up on my lips really well. So especially if you're someone from the medium to the dusky skin tone category, then don't waste your money on this one, because if you have brown lips like mine, this one is going to suit you really well. It gives you that beautiful, pink tint on your lips that really stays for a long time. So here you guys can see in the demo part that just within a few seconds of application, this actually gives me such a beautiful and pinkish glow to my lips. And obviously you can just keep the gloss as it is if you're comfortable, but personally for me, I do not like glosses because I just feel it very sticky. So I use this lip and cheek oil only to get the tint on my lips. So as soon as I apply it and once it gives me that color on my lips, then I just blot it off with the excess gloss. I just blot it off with the help of a tissue paper, and this is how my lips look like after blotting off the gloss. So I love to use this lip and cheek oil in this manner just to get that beautiful flush of pink color on my lips, which actually looks so natural. So definitely this is also a thumbs up from my side, because this is perfectly suitable, especially if you have brown lips like mine. Now coming on to the last and the final product. So this is the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara. Now this was quite there was a lot of hype regarding this product, and rightly so, because I personally have extremely scanty eyelashes which also droop downwards. So for me to get that beautiful curled lashes, it is very difficult. So in the past I've used a lot of different types of mascaras, but a few of them were very clumpy and it felt heavy on my lids. So I did not really like them, but this one is beautiful. Even currently I'm just wearing these on my lashes, and you guys can see how well it has actually managed to give me that curl and hold as well. So here you guys can see in the depot part, like I have extremely scanty lashes, which actually droop downwards, but just in a single coat this has actually managed to give me such beautiful curl to my lashes. And also this does not clump up. Here you guys can see how my lashes are separated and curled at the same time, so it definitely does not clump up. Even with the second coat that you guys can see here that I'm doing, this actually gives me such beautiful curl and hold to my lashes. So I absolutely love using the L'Oreal Panorama mascara. So those were all the viral products that I recently tested out, and I've honestly loved all of these products. That is why I'm recommending to you these in this video. Like always, all of the direct links of all of these products are given in the description box below. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.